What's up, guys? So today we are trying to solve this 985 sum of even numbers after queries. Okay, so this video just using very naive way, right? So sum of even numbers. So basically you have an array and any queries of queries. Okay, so for i's query, so you just take a value, right, and an index, right? So let's say an example. Okay, so 10 means that the first is index, the second is index, the first is the number. So for a0 we just add 1, so it becomes 2 2 3 4, and the -3 to a1, so 2 minus 3 is -1. Okay, and adding -4 to a0 become -2, adding 2 to a3 become this one. Okay, and you only sum the even values, right? So you scan the list and you take an even value. So it's 2 to 4, 2 and 4, and -2 and 4, and -2 and 6, and you get this. Okay, so you return the list of the sum of even value A6 to 4. Okay, I think everyone, you guys know this about the meaning of the problem. Okay. Okay, so the next is we just solve it. So basically, the idea what I think initially is basically we first calculate the sum of the even number. So I call initial to be 0, and for each for each number in A, if it's even, then I just sum to this initial. So initial will be the original even number. For example, is 6. It's 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, then what we want to do is that for each queries, we will have some cases. So one easy case is that if we start from odd, right, and add some, and the final result will be odd, then we do nothing. Okay, and so if both are even, that means we start from some even number and we add we add some even number, so it becomes even. Then we should add that number. Okay. So at least A index, we just first update the list. So if the final result is even and the number is even, that means original is even. Okay, so that means we should just update that number. If we start from odd to even, that means the final result is even and the original is odd. So original is odd means that what means so if the final is even and the original is odd, right, that means that the number we add must be odd. So odd plus odd can be even, right? So, but that means our original list do not include that number because its original is odd, right? So we just add all new value what it gave. Okay, and it's even to odd, right? Even to odd is much difficult, right? If it's even, if the final is odd and the original is even, that means our number what we add is odd, right? So that means we should minus that whole number. So A index minus number is the previous number we have not updated. So initial just minus that number, Okay, that's it, and I will let you guys think about the logic, but that's it, right? Okay, I will see you guys in the next videos. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.